What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by. Today's an exciting day. We're going to be installing some quality parts from Charvonia Design. This is their bed tie downs. My God, just look at this piece. I mean, like the way it's machined, the way it's done, the way the edges are smoothed out, the chamfering, if you will, is amazing, fantastic, and it's replacing this little wimpy, junky thing that Toyota put. I really like the way they look too. I just want to make sure you guys know, super impressed with these pieces. The design is so much better than this because one, it is tied in, right? So this is the bed one. They have a rail set up that's coming later. I'm gonna get that one too. This is the bed one, right? So when you stack this in, so let's just, they're both tied into the bed the same way like this. I really like that you have this hook, but then you also have this hook, right? Because sometimes when I'm gonna set it up this way for you. Sometimes when you hook like through here, it'll get loose and come off, right? So what this hole does, this ability is hook through here, right? So it creates tension on the hook, which is nice, keeps it in place. So, man, just the machining, I think they're so worth it. In order to get this one off, you will need a Torx 40. I don't know, some people have them, some people don't, but I'll put a link to it down below. And to install it, I am going to use some blue thread locker. And then also you will need a number 6. Let me make sure. Yeah, number 6 is what fits on the new bolts. So we're going to throw it in. Obviously, I already got this one off. Let's go throw it in real quick. I should issue a warning. If you have anything in the way, you kind of want to make sure to get it out of the way first. So my roto packs were kind of in the way on the driver's side, and it gave me a hard time. I guess if you're like a hardcore overlander like me, and you take off your roto packs once a year, the lock sometimes will get a little hard to work. So just be prepared for that. But let me set you up in the bed real quick, and we're gonna get it installed. All right, fellas, super tight for me up here. You can just make out the holes right there where they're gonna go. I'm gonna leave the logo out, so it's gonna sit here just like that. Perfect. Taking the bolts, a little bit of blue. Whoa, a little heavy-handed on the blue there. Oh God, lost that one. As you can tell, I'm kind of tucked in here between a tire, a bunch of stuff, and perfect. All right, I'm gonna put it on the Allen. Let's get this guy up. Let's get the top one in. Like that. Give it a couple threads. Perfect. Get that bottom one. Sorry about hitting the camera. Man, this should be fun. Oh, the Max Tracks are in the way. God, it never ends. You mods on mods on mods. All right, I'm going to be right back with a much smaller Allen and see if I can get these in there. All right, let's see. Looks like this little guy. I'm going to come through. Just gonna spin the top one the whole way around. Yeah, there we go. So just make it nice and tight. You don't gotta over torque these. Obviously, we're not towing cars with them, so nice and tight, but don't go ham. Perfect. God, look at that thing. I don't care that no one can see it. I love it. So nice. So nice. Now you got this hook right through here and this hook through here. It's awesome. All right. Oh my God, they look so good. That took about like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And I'm already drenched in sweat like if I jumped in the pool. It is blazing hot today. Check this out. If I go this way. Ooh, look at that sexy thing. Sexy thing. Nice. And then over there, you can see what I'm battling here to get through. Over there, you can see like, oh. Hi. Look at that. So nice. Beefy. So nice and beefy. Awesome. Thanks for watching. If you need anything, definitely let me know. I'll put the links, everything down below. Thanks, man. You guys be safe out there.